Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. This week the price has managed to get above 0.99134, which is a weekly and also a monthly support level, and what was mentioned in the previous week analysis, if the price stays above this level 0.99134, then we will see the price reaching higher levels, possibly because of the weekly time frame 1.03920. Then let's check what has happened since the start of this week. On a Monday, the price has managed to create a bullish candle, which you can see it here, reaching the level which is above the first small resistance level, and it is outside of this small uptrend. The second day, on a Tuesday, the price has formed again a bullish candle, reaching the previous week high price and then returning back down slightly with this bearish candle. But the price then returned down more, reaching 0.99134 as a support level, confirming it on a weekly and also monthly and also daily time frame as a strong support and also a demand zone where the bulls are pushing the price on higher levels. When the price has reached this demand zone at the 0.99134, we see a strong bullish move that took the price above the previous highs, where the price could not break in the previous attempt when the price was in the downtrend. This level, 1.01368, is the first daily resistance level and also a supply zone where we could see the price reversing back down. But the price in this bullish strong move did not react too much on this resistance, which is a small resistance for the price currently. In the past, when the price has going down in this move, the price when reached this resistance level on the daily time frame, it was not too strong, which we can see here with the price, where the price stopped at 1.02669, which was a stronger support on a daily time frame for the price. This price level 1.01368 is a much stronger support than it is a resistance for the price. We can see that in this area 2 weeks the price could not break below, even the price was in the strong downtrend. Then the price after that returned back down slightly to confirm this previous resistance, currently as now as a support at 1.01368, and then continued to move up to the first daily resistance level, which is 1.02669. The price did not stop it here for a while, but the price continued to the upside, reaching stronger resistance level, and it is a supply zone on a monthly, weekly and a daily time frame. So we can pay attention to this supply zone where the current price is at 1.03920, which is a strong resistance area. But if we take a look in the past, this strong supply zone, in this case it was a strong demand zone, and here it was a smaller supply zone, we could see the price bouncing back down, reaching around 1.02669 as a demand zone for the price that will hold the price for a while. In the next week, we could expect the price could reach this demand zone at 1.02669 and probably going slightly down to this level 1.0200, which is a smaller support area on a lower time frames, and then bouncing back up, reaching again 1.03920. The price is now outside of the downtrend and currently is forming an uptrend because the indecision area for the price was from 0.99134 up to 1.01368. This was a neutral zone for the price, where the price would define will it continue down or will it continue to move up. We can see that in the previous 2 weeks the price has broken outside of this downtrend, then returning back down and then pushing the price again up, which was a signal that the price is going to move to the upside. Until the price stays above 1.101368, this daily time frame demand zone, the price will be in the uptrend, and we can look for the price that it will reach higher levels. If we take a look a little bit on a wider time frame, we will see how the market will react. Here we have 1.03920 as a monthly, weekly and daily resistance level. It is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting. Then we have a second monthly, weekly and daily time frame here at 1.07825. That is the next level for the monthly time frame, and also for the weekly time frame we have 1.05087 and 1.06736. So this 1.03920 is a monthly and a weekly resistance level. Then we are expecting the price will reverse it down, and we will see will it stay above 1.01368, and we'll see will it try to break above 1.03920. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, in the previous week analysis I have mentioned that this bullish pin bar is a signal that we could see a price reaching a level at 1.03920. The price did not stop on a weekly first resistance level at 1.01368, and then we will see the price will it manage to break above. But in the past, when the price was trying to reach this level, we can see it that the price has reached just close to this level where we had the price reaching in the previous attempt to go to the upside, and also we can see this and this and this one, 3 attempts for the price to break to the downside. So this is a level where we'll see a price staying for a while, because in the past this price at 1.03920 shows us that it is a strong support level, strong demand zone for the price when the price is going down, and a slightly strong zone for the buyers to break to the above. But we could see the price returning back down around this level here, which is 1.02538, and also around this 1.0268. It is a first support for the price, and the second one is here at 1.01368. So we can see a strong bullish attempt on a weekly time frame. We could expect the price going down, confirming this and finding a great demand zone that will push the price above 1.03920. This level at 1.0260, if we go back to the daily time frame, we can see that this is the level on the daily time frame, is the first support level for the price. But again, on the daily time frame we could expect the price to reach this level 1.020 and then reversing back up. So for the next week we should wait and expect the price to return back down, and then from here find a support and price reaching higher levels. If the price stays above 1.01368, this will be a sign that the price has found strength to stay above and look for a new uptrend. For the price, if the reaches lower level at 1.01368 and closes on the daily time frame below, then we can expect the price will reach 0.99134. But until that happens, we should look for a bullish trades opportunities around this area 1.01368 and also 1.0260. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!